welcome to the video. Welcome to another session. This session is going to be about warming up the body before exercising, stretching, warming up the arms, and warming up different parts of the body, stretching, getting a full stretch. Here we're stretching the arms, just warming up the arms, warming up the blood flow. So you can do this at home along with the video. If you haven't already, do subscribe. If you like these videos, do let us know in the comments, and we'll see if we can make some more up for you. So after we get the arms and blood flowing through the arms a little more fluently, we're going to do some lunges and some stretching of the legs, stretching of the foot and the inner leg, inner thigh, the leg muscles. Pull the toe backwards once you've stretched the leg, so that you can stretch the inner thigh behind the leg as well also. Here we're going to do some circular motions of the arms. Let's try and build up some strength in the arms and warm up the arm muscles. And if you need a rest, take a rest, short rest. Stretch the arms, one side at a time, reach as far as you can, to your right and then to your left. Stretch the neck, warm up the neck, either side, back and front. Next we're going to stand on one leg alternatively for about 10 seconds. Stretching the leg, the thigh, by pulling the knee up towards the chest. Do this with both legs. We're going to take a step forward and lean in as we bend one knee. Do it with the other leg also. Take a step forward, bend the other knee, and lean forward to get a full stretch. As you can see here, we're touching our toes. can't quite touch your toes, just reach as far as possible. Stretching the arms here. We're going to swing our leg, each leg, for about 10 kicks, as high and as far back as we can, with the toes pointing upward to stretch behind the legs and warm up the blood flow. Do this with both sides of the legs for about 10 kicks. Try this at home. Here we're reaching up as high as possible next to stretch the back and the arms, holding at the top of the stretch to stretch down the spine and along the arms. Sometimes we don't get to stretch enough, so it's good to stretch and make sure your body gets fully warmed up before you exercise to prevent injuries. Here we're stretching behind our legs again as we bend forward and touch the toes. You may feel it down your legs, down the back of your legs. Try and touch your toes to increase flexibility. Stretch the legs by doing side lunges to stretch down the inner thigh and the calf. Don't overdo it. Don't stretch too much. Don't want to cause no injuries. Nice and smooth. So we're stretching the inside of the back of the legs when you bend forward to touch your toes. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, do subscribe to the channel. Like and leave a comment on whatever exercises you'd like to see. Have a great day.